Okay, let's take a look at the US pre-market movers and levels.
Okay, well, I picked out a couple of stocks here that took my eye. Cornerstone is another cloud computing play even. They're up 6% pre-market. They beat on revenues, missed on EPS when they reported last night, but they raised sales guidance for 2015. And again, you know, positive conference call, sales guidance raises. The market loves that and has rewarded them accordingly. TripAdvisor, people will be familiar with this. You know, if you're booking a holiday or going out to a restaurant, 9 times out of 10 these days you'll look at TripAdvisor and see what other people have thought of it. They had mixed numbers yesterday, naming FX pressures as one of the reasons for that, which is obviously interesting. But again, the numbers were better than forecast, and again they were able to confirm their guidance, and they're up around 4.69, 4.7% prior to the market open. In terms of levels to watch today, S&P, we're looking for 2067 on the downside, 2088 on the upside. All these are obviously a little bit lower than they were yesterday. 1775 on the downside for the Dow, and 17992 for the upside figure there. Euro dollar, no stopping the euro really, despite that possible weak numbers earlier. 112.34 your downside level, 113.80 is the upside level. Another resilient currency, the Aussie dollar, 78.71 is a downside level, 80.40 to the upside. Dollar yen, but actually surprising, the yen strengthening here, so 118.87 is a downside level, and 119.60 on the upside. And in cable, obviously ahead of the election, 151.48 the downside level, 152.63 the upside. But I suspect any moves that do happen in cable this week, will come tomorrow.
Right. If I was watching this for the first time, Darren, the levels to watch today, are these chart points? Are these old highs, old lows?
Yes, exactly that. Simple support and resistance moves typically off of an hourly chart.
Okay.
Just give people an idea of a price range to watch. Yeah, where a break could signal a larger move.
Understood.